Welcome to Math Lab by SuArt, promoting experimental learning in mathematics. Presented by Geet Kibe. In this video, we are going to conduct an activity to estimate the value of pi. Material required will be SuArt apparatus baseboard, thread and screws, circular acrylic discs. Theory. Pi is a mathematical constant whose established value is 3.14. It is also defined as the ratio of circumference to the diameter of a circle. So, pi is equals to circumference over diameter, where circumference c is equals to distance around the edge of the circle, and diameter d, the length of any straight line segment passing through the center of the circle and whose endpoints lie on the circle. Regardless of the circle size, the ratio always approximates to 3.14 or 3.14159 and so on, since pi is an irrational number. We will be focusing on this part of the apparatus baseboard and the acrylic disc of diameter 10 cm given with the apparatus. Procedure: rotation method. Step 1. Take the 10 cm disc and place the disc aligning the mark on the disc with the 0 of the horizontal scale, as shown here. Step 2. Start rolling the disc on the horizontal scale. Keep rolling the disc until the mark coincides with the horizontal scale again and the black line is parallel to the vertical scale, as shown here. Step 3. This point where the mark coincides with the horizontal scale again will give us the circumference of this disc. Observations and calculations. We have diameter d of the disc is equals to 10 cm. Circumference c of the disc is equals to 31.4 centimeters. So pi is equals to c upon d. Pi is equals to 31.4 upon 10. Pi is equals to 3.14. Conclusion. Our premise is correct that the ratio of circumference to the diameter of a circle gives us the value of pi, which comes out to be 3.14. Thank you for watching.